He's less conversational than he was.
More of the silent type now.
They're at war with the world, that's for sure.
He's got blind faith in Makarov.
Makarov needs him. Been contacting him non-stop. He knows something's wrong.
You intercepted their comms?
Affirmative. Nolan got quiet, but his radio and phone speak volumes.
What do we know?
They're delivering someone or something to an abandoned Soviet prison complex.
Where?
Siberia.
When?
Tomorrow.
This is our shot at Makarov.
Well, no guarantees he's there.
I'll take that chance.
I knew you would. Nick can get you in and out.
I want everyone on this, including Farah. Next to Ghost, he's the best sniper I know.
You can pick her up on the way. I'll relay.
We'll need C4 and dry gear.
We're getting wet.
So is Makarov.
Watcher to 07, give me a sit rep.
07 in position with Kilo. Bravo's in the water.
Copy. Where's our incoming?
Convoy approaching southeast. 4 vehicles.
Any sign of Makarov?
No PID, but high security on the 3rd vehicle.
Ghost to all Bravo, how copy?
Solid. Here they come.
Fire in the hole.
Suspicions, good effect on target.
Raj, go to work. We need him alive.
On the move. So, guys, flank me. Check and clear all vehicles.
Target vehicles taking on water. Let's get this done, Cap. Target's air has got to be running thin. Vehicles clear. No Makarov.
Negative on target. No Makarov. It's pulling. Prisoner secure. Moving to surface.
Standing by.
Six to Watcher. No Makarov. Target was not in the convoy. Prisoner's been intercepted and secured.
Can you ID?
Stand by.
Steaming Jesus.
McTavish. The fuck? Captain?
Fuck, is there a single shit show that you are not a part of?
Ghost, you seeing this?
In my sight.
Let's smoke him and call it a day.
6, who do you have?
Gold fucking eagle, actual.
Shepard?
And the cold flesh.
Holy shit.
Cap, we're sitting ducks out here.
Then let's move him. Why are you here?
They're hunting us, John. They found me first.
What did you trade for your life?
Not a goddamn thing.
Bollocks.
I'm a 4-star United States general.
And they kept you alive. Let's toss this fucker back in the lake.
I know Makarov's next target.
You didn't even know you were the fucking target.
Oh, you were chasing your own tail before I stepped in.
Give it to us then.
You get me out of here first.
All stations, I'm tracking helos inbound north. 10 clicks out.
Rog.
What's the call, Bravo?
The oligarch intel was solid. Even if he is lying now, we can still use him. We dump him, we're walking away with nothing. Ghost, Farah, push to the exfil.
Roger.
Watcher, tell Nick we're +1.
It's more like it. Now, how about a jacket and a gun?
No.
Let's have the gun. I could use your help.
Well, I'll give my thermal on the side on. You stick with Gaz. One wrong move, and I'll pull a hole through you. Six to Watcher.
Send traffic, Bravo.
Plan is to hoof it to transport and drive to the LZ for extraction.
I think your guest may slow you down. Watch your back. Out here.
Laswell's right. Fog's rolling in.
Good time for thermal, 6.
Thermal up.
I'm freezing my ass off here.
Slight case of hypothermia, you'll live.
You need a discipline adjustment, Sergeant. We should take him out now.
You should shut the hell up.
Either way, we need a call now, Captain.
We can stay low. Let them pass.
Двигаемся дальше на восток.
Should have been.
Weapons free!
Валите к низу! Меня ранили! Дима! Ложись! Ложись! Мы несем потери! Цель перемещается! Меня тут!
Clear. When they miss checking, someone will come looking.
And let's not be here when they do. Low ammo!
Ammo here! Connie's incoming. We can't waste time, 6.
How far is the transport?
Sniper! Take cover. Came from the trees dead ahead.
Nothing on thermals.
Using thermal camo.
Guys, watch Shepard. Soap and I'll take the sniper.
Roger that. On me, General.
Visual. Sniper down. We're clear.
Nice work, Captain.
Guys, regroup on me.
Roger.
This is a fucking shit sandwich. Your intel better be good, General.
My intel's always good, so you'll get it when I'm out of here.
Eyes on our truck ahead. Appears we do have some admirers.
The firm. Soul team.
6 to Farah and Ghost. The transport's compromised.
Ghost is securing the LZ. I'll meet you at the lumber mill. Cut through the field on
This is on the way.
Compromised.
Open fire!
Be advised, just like this in the air.
Spread out. General, you're with me. Keep your head down and don't speak.
Sniper's behind the fallen tree.
Captain, taking effective fire! Deploy stun grenade!
Got viz on sniper. Sniper.
Snipers could be anywhere. Stay sharp. snipers lying prone.
Flush them out of cover. Snipers behind the stump. Good shot, one to go.
Clear, good work.
Expected nothing less. Pleasure watching the boys work.
Truck's dead. We hoof it to the LZ.
We'll rally up with fire at the mill and lay waste to all movers.
Speaking my language, guys. River will lead us straight to the mill.
Hear that?
Came from the lumber mill. Fire is there now.
Come in, Kilo.
Calling patrol surrounding the lumber mill.
Let's join the fight, Captain.
Laura, what's the status?
Taking enemy fire. Far side of the mill. Could use support.
Copy. Hold your position, Kilo. We'll move to flank.
Copy that.
Always everywhere, Farrell. Position.
On the rooftop. Keep pushing in. I'll cover you from here.
Guys, take Shepard and find cover. Soap on me.
Aye.
Она выйдет из укрытия.
Head on a swivel. This is a target-rich environment.
Storm it, son. Let's get a heat.
Enemy down.
Let's go, man. Power. I'll get on that.
Captain, got two snipers in the warehouse. Second floor.
Copy. I'll take it to him.
Snipers in the warehouse, Captain. Upstairs.
Moving to second deck.
Противник пошел к укрытию.
Snipers neutralized.
Богдан, сколько у тебя патронов?
Got an enemy vehicle inbound.
Copy, I see it. More calling coming your way.
clear. Area secure.
Good work, Bravo.
You too, Kilo.
Circle up, behind the sawmill.
Copy. Rear of the sawmill.
Behind the sawmill. Get here when you can, Captain.
Check fire. Descending. Exfil is just below this cliffside. Ghost is posted.
Let's get to him.
You're a long way from home, Kilo.
So are you, Gold Eagle?
I'm glad to see you.
Stay sharp and try not to slow us down.
Cora, I have always...
There is a time and a place for everything. Now, it is neither.
Wind's picking up snow.
Looks like Coney dropped it on you, hey Ghost? Wasn't in the mood for visitors.
Got movement ahead.
Likely an ambush.
Not an ambush if we aim first.
Good call, guys. Farah and Sub keep left. Guys go right with Shepard.
Let's go, General.
Wind's picking up. Everybody ready? Got the upper hand now.
Just point and shoot when the time's right, General.
Slot him!
More Coney closing!
Dispatched!
Use the snow for cover.
Put bloody effect on target.
Switching to thermal.
You're welcome.
Roger, thermals.
They'll lose us in the forest. Take advantage.
Heard another.
Кидай гранату! Кидаю осколочную! Атакую!
Got him.
They can't see us through the snow either. Use it.
Use the snow for cover. Taking heat from the cargo ship.
Switching to thermal.
Terminated.
Цель движется к укрытию!
RPG's up ahead! The Reichstag in!
RPG reloading, take him out!
Pony down. Took another out.
Shipyard's all clear.
Good guns, Bravo. Solid shot.
This isn't over till we're on that bird.
Coast, we're coming to you.
Roger and LZ near the boat now. Form up on my mark. AO is hot.
Spotted. Eyes on LT.
Go swinging on a 6.
All clear.
This way, Bravo.
Watch it at Bravo 6. What's your status, John?
At the LZ. Need to hold position until Nick's on station with the helo.
Gear up. There'll be more of them here soon.
Calling reinforcements heading our way.
Right, let's focus fire on it. Cody vehicles incoming.
They sent a whole goddamn company after us.
Keep laying down fire. We can't leave until they are clear.
Nice. Got more Cody vehicles incoming.
Almost out.
I've got ammo. They're flanking us.
Bravo, shift left.
Right on target, Captain.
Bravo, we clear?
All clear.
Nick, what's your ETA?
Touching down in 30.
LZ is clear.
Copy. Approaching now, Captain. Ready when you are. Let's go, Nick. in?
Affirm! Get her up!
Oslo, 6 on deck. Yeah,
Copy that. Fly safe.
Let me up.
The hell's this?
The crossroads!
Laswell.
Without the stars and bars, you look like frozen shit, General.
Best of the best. All in one place.
With one glaring exception.
What is the agenda of this little powwow?
A choice.
Do I have one?
No.
I'm all ears.
Own up. Tell us everything.
You know everything.
Congress doesn't. And I bet they'd
They'd be all ears, wouldn't they, eh?
That's it?
No. You clear my name. Tell them who I am, what you gave me, and why.
No one else had the balls to do what I did for you. For all of you.
Then do the right thing, General.
All your intel on Makarov, your boy Greaves on a leash.
Say yes, you get a warm ride home.
Or take a little me time and freeze to death.
That's the one I'm partial to.
Keep the prisoner focused on their own self-preservation, and eventually they will break.
Good to see you remembered your training, eh? General.
You screw me on this, John, and you'll be sorry you kept me alive.